Hi, my dear children. In this video, we are going to see a poem titled My Puppy Plays Piano. Okay? What strikes your mind when you hear the word pet animal? Dear children, how many of you have pet animals in your home? I think most of you may have pet animals in your home, right children? It may be a small puppy or cat or any other animals, right? Pet animals are mostly unique and the most adorable creatures on the planet, right? They are beautiful and loyal and they also give us company, right children? They always act as the protectors of their masters. Okay dears, now shall we enter into the poem? Yeah, the title is My Puppy Plays Piano. In this title, do you know whom this my denotes? My denotes the poet. Okay? The poet of this poem is Ken Nesbitt. Okay? This poem was narrated by Ken Nesbitt. And in this poem, Ken Nesbitt, he tells about his pet puppy. Okay, dears? Yes, my dear children, at the end of this video, I'll give you some extra informations regarding the poet. Okay? Yeah, now let's enter into the poem. I'll read the first stanza now and after that, I'll explain the meaning of that. My puppy plays piano. It's the strangest thing to see. It seems, while I was practicing, he learnt by watching me. Here, the word my refers to the poet. Okay, so whose puppy plays piano? The poet's puppy usually plays piano. And the poet felt strange to notice this. Do you know the meaning of strange? Strange means unusual. Okay, he felt strange to notice this. Okay, and then, my dear children, do you know how this puppy learned to play piano? Actually, the puppy learned to play piano by watching the poet do so. Okay, when the poet was playing the piano, the puppy usually sat behind and the puppy watched it, and finally he learned to play the piano. So now, what kind of pet does the poet have? The poet had a pet that learned how to play musical instruments. Okay, ma? Yeah. Which instrument did the pet play in this poem? The pet, little puppy, it played the piano. Yes, dear children. Now let's move on to the second stanza. Okay? I'll read it now. He started out on chopsticks, then he learned to play some bug. It wasn't long before he knew the blues and classic rock. This stanza tells us that the puppy usually he started to play musical instruments by using chopsticks. Okay, he first started out on chopsticks and then one by one he learned to play some budge. And do you know what is chopsticks? Chopsticks means a pair of thin sticks used for eating food. Okay, ma? The meaning of chopstick is a pair of thin sticks that is used for eating food. And then B-A-C-H, Bach. Bach means Johann Sebastian Bach. That is a German composer and musician. Okay. Then the little puppy also started to play the blues and classic rock. The blues. What do you mean by the blues? The blues means a type of slow, sad music with strong rhythms. Okay, ma? Yeah. Then rock, classic rock. Rock means a type of loud popular music played on electric guitars and drums. Okay. So blues means sad music with slow sound, and classic rock. Rock means loud music with happy volume and which is played on electric guitars and drums. Okay dears, now let us move on to the next stanza. Okay. He also taught my kitten how so they could play duets. And then they taught guitar and drums to all my other pets. From this stanza, we can understand that this little puppy, he taught the poet's kitten how they could play duets. Okay, who was the master for the kitten now? This little puppy. Okay, the puppy taught the kitten how they could play duets. And then this little puppy also taught the poet's other pets about how to play the guitar and drums. Yes? This stanza conveys the message that the poet's little puppy taught the kitten how to play duets, and then he also taught guitar and drums, okay, to all the other pets of the poet. Okay, now let's move on to the next stanza. They formed a band and practiced hard and traveled all around, and instantly got famous for their catchy pet rock sound. Now, shall we see the meaning of this stanza? Yes. The first two lines conveys the message that the little puppy, then the kitten, and then all the other pets, they formed a group. They formed a band. Band is nothing but a group of person. Okay, not person. Here it indicates all these pet animals. Okay, ma? They formed a band and then started practicing hard, and then they traveled all around. How surprising it is, right now, children? Is this possible, dears? The little puppy, then the kitten, and all the other pet animals, they form a band and they started practicing, and this is really amazing, right? They practiced hard and then they started traveling all around, and instantly got famous for their catchy pet rock sound. So instantly means in a very short period of time. Okay, within a short period of time, by the hard practicing effort, they got successful and they got famous for the catchy pet rock sound. Okay. My dear children, here the word catchy, it means instantly appealing and memorable tune. Okay, ma? Appealing and memorable tune. Now, let's move on to the last stanza of this poem. Okay? They made a smash hit record, and it wasn't very long before my pets were millionaires because they wrote this song. Okay? This stanza, it clearly tells us that with lots of efforts and hard works, the pet animals, they hit the record, and finally, before my pets were millionaires because they wrote this song. As they wrote this song, that is the pet rock. With all the efforts, with all the musical instruments, that is piano, then guitars, drums, and so, with all these musical instruments, they made it a special one and famous one, and they were very famous for the catchy pet rock sound, right? Yeah, and these all occurred only because of the hard work of the pet animals. So hard work never fails. Okay, my dear children? My dear children, now I'll tell you some information regarding the poet. The poet of this poem is Ken Nesbitt, and he is a famous American children's poet, and his poems are full of humors and fun, so that it can be even enjoyed by both the children as well as adults. Okay, ma? Hope you all enjoyed this section, right? Yeah, let's meet in the next video with read exercises and workbook answers. Bye. Have a nice day.